Hey, welcome to this episode of Flash and Illuminate, and today we're gonna be talking about something so interesting. Why is yawning contagious? But wait, I wanna bring up a challenge here between me and you. I bet you must yawn before the end of this video. And if you don't, okay, message me in the comment section below and I will pay you back for not yawning. Oh yeah, I'm serious. Yawning, according to scientists, is known to be what's called hypopraxia, in which when people are sensitive to what other people do, they in a way subconsciously do the same thing also, which are based on some social and psychological mechanisms. Why must I yawn after she just yawned? Or just in a very boring class and someone started yawning. And before you know it, every other person is making different melodies with yawning. By merely seeing a picture or the sound of someone yawning, in a way you might be compelled to also yawn. Literally, yawning could be an action of opening the mouth wide and taking a long breath rather than a deep breath. Maybe because you are tired or you are stressed out or you want to sleep, or maybe because you are hungry. Psychologists experimented that yawning could be related to what we call empathy, that is a paranormal ability to psychically read or understand someone else's emotion or point of view. Another thing psychologists experimented is that yawning can be contagious if the original yawner is someone very close, maybe a family or a friend. Some neuroscientists also experimented what we call mirror neurons as an hypothesis of some neuronal networks which fires in the brain after you've seen someone do something you just did. And so in a way, the neurons makes you mimic the actions of the other person. And so maybe me and you are having a conversation for a period of time and I'm consistently rubbing my beard, though there's nothing there anyway. Empathically and subconsciously, you will kind of mimic my actions. And this most likely occur when you have spent some time together with the other person. And so because of the parasocial relationship between me and you just must yawn now. It's a good thing to yawn. Thank you for watching this episode of Flash and Illuminate. But before we go, be sincere. Did you yawn during this video? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell below here. Alright, remain flash wired and I will see you in my next video.